Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic country farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage country chic farmhouse decor is a warm, cozy and charming interior style that mixes old-fashioned and vintage spaces, country cottage softness and farmhouse simplicity. It feels nostalgic, welcoming, and naturally beautiful, like a beautiful old countryside home. What vintage country chic farmhouse decor means use vintage elements. These are old style or antique inspired items that bring character. Use discreet wooden furniture, old looking trunks or cabinets, vintage clocks, lanterns, and mirrors. They make the room feel like it has a story. Next, country chic touches. This adds softness and charm. Use pastel colors like soft pink, mint, cream, and sky blue, floral patterns and lace, warm linens, and handmade items like crochet or embroidery. This makes the style feel elegant and sweet. Farmhouse simplicity. This keeps everything looking clean and cozy. Use neutral colors like white, beige, soft gray. Its rustic oud, natural textures, and open baskets. Open shelving, simple furniture designs. This gives the home a calm, relaxed farmhouse feeling. Key features of vintage country chic farmhouse style: cozy, inviting, warm atmosphere. Mix of old and new furniture, natural materials. Use old jute, cotton, metal. Soft colors with hints of pastel tones. Vintage decor items like enamel old sign. Use florals, checks, and stripes in textiles. Handmade details like crochet cushions, quilts, knit shawls. Common items used in this style: weighted wooden dining table, white or cream painted cabinets, iron candle holders, vintage style jugs, mason jars, enamel mugs, rustic trays, soft floral curtains, open baskets, farmhouse style sign or coat. Overall feeling: vintage country chic farmhouse decor feels soft, nostalgic, romantic, rustic, peaceful. It is perfect for anyone who loves old-time charm mixed with cozy farmhouse warmth. Cheaper explanation of vintage country chic farmhouse decor, a style that combines three worlds. This decor style blends vintage charm, old-looking, time-worn pieces that feel nostalgic and full of history. Country cottage romance, soft colors, florals, and cozy fabrics that create a sweet, beautiful environment. Farmhouse simplicity, practical wooden furniture, natural textures, and rustic elements that feel rural and comforting. Together, they create a home that feels both old-fashioned and beautifully warm. Materials you mostly see in this style: wood, or that wood, whitewashed wood, reclaimed beams or planks. Wood makes a room feel rustic and organic. Metal accents, galvanized metal buckets, rustic lanterns, iron hooks and handles. This gives farmhouse strength and character. Natural textiles use cotton, linen, crochet items, lace, burlap. These fabrics add a handmade, soft and warm feeling. Colors used in vintage country chic farmhouse. Primary colors: soft plus neutral, with cream, white, light beige, and soft gray. Accent colors: gentle and feminine, use dusty pink, stress green, lavender, baby blue, peach. These pastel accents give the chic elegance. Furniture style: distress or time-out look. Furniture often has chipped paint, gutted oud, or antique designs. Simple lines: nothing too modern or sharp, everything feels natural and comfortable. Mix of old and new. Example: an old wooden table with new soft floral chairs. Decoration that define this style: vintage items, old clocks, typewriters, lanterns, mirrors with antique frames. Farmhouse decor: use messengers, oven baskets, wooden crafts, animal jars. Chic details: fresh flowers, crochet pillow covers, floral tablecloths, soft rugs. This blend rustic charm with romantic elegance. How the home feels: cozy and warm. You instantly feel relaxed. Clean but charming, not overly decorative, just simple and beautiful. Nostalgic: feels like a peaceful countryside home from the past. Romantic: use soft colors, gentle fabrics, and floral touches. Add sweetness. Why people love this style? Because it's affordable. You can upcycle old items. Cozy and family friendly. Beautiful and timeless. Peaceful and calming. Perfect for people who love handmade crafts. Advance insight into vintage country chic farmhouse decor. The philosophy behind the style. This decor style is not just about how the home looks, it is about how it feels. Vintage equal history, nostalgia, stories. It celebrates items that look aged, used, and loved. Country equals simplicity, natural, rural charm. It brings the peaceful feeling of countryside life. Chic equals softness, elegance, familiarity. It adds beauty, romance, and graceful touches. Farmhouse equals practical, warm, comfortable. Everything is functional yet cozy. Together, it creates a home filled with warmth, calmness, and timeless beauty. Cheaper look at textures and finishes. Distress oud, whitewashed, sanded aged, slightly chipped paint. These imperfections make furniture look lifted and authentic. Matte, chalky finishes. Painted furniture pieces are often finished with chalk paint, milk paint. This gives a soft, powdery vintage look. Organic texture, such as oven-to rugs, rattan baskets, natural cotton straws. This creates a cozy, homely environment. Vintage collectibles that elevate the style. For a more authentic look, many people decorate with items such as old animal pictures, antique books, porcelain floral plates, vintage trunks, cast iron cookware, weathered picture frames, old farmhouse signac. These small details bring strong vintage energy into the room. Layout and furniture arrangement: open, airy feeling. Rooms are not overcrowded. Space feels free but cozy. Layering: instead of heavy decor, the style uses layered blanket, layered rugs, layered cushions combinations. Layering and slipped without clutter. Pinks matched peaches. The furniture does not need to be matching set. Different peaches add charm and personality. Lighting style. Vintage country chic farmhouse lighting is soft and warm. Typical lighting items: lantern style lamps, iron candlelights, candle style lights, warm tone bulbs, glass jar lamps. Warm lighting makes the home feel calm and peaceful. The romantic rural memory concept. This style is built on the idea of remembering the ideal countryside life. Designers try to recreate a gentle farmhouse morning, a cozy cottage afternoon, a warm grandmother-style interior, a peaceful, nature-filled lifestyle. This emotional inspiration shapes every design choice. The three-part balance, professional rule. Designers often say this style requires balancing rustic for farmhouse, soft, chic, old vintage. Too much rustic equal looks rough. Too much chic equal looks too frilly. Too much vintage equal looks cluttered. The perfect balance gives comfort plus beauty. Patina, the secret or real vintage decor. Patina means the soft arcing effect on materials, like faded color on wood, slight rust on metal, soft wear on fabric, discoloration on old books. This natural arcing adds soul and personality to the home. The emotional color physiology. Soft neutrals use white, cream, beige, create calmness and cleanliness. Pastels is soft pink, mint, lavender, create sweetness and romantic charm. Warm undertones, brown, white, olive, create grounding and warmth. The tones keeps the home peaceful, gentle, and nostalgic. Vintage country chic decor uses quiet beauty. In this style, nothing is loud or bold. Every item blends softly with the room. Examples: soft floral prints instead of big flowers, light pastel instead of bright colors, thin lace instead of bold patterns, faded wood instead of glossy finishes. The subtle beauty makes the home shooting. Micro decor details, the small things that matter. Key hooks with vintage metal, tiny enamel jugs, old style clocks, mini potted herbs. Also, crochet coasters, distressed picture frames, small wooden crosses, ceramic pictures. These small touches complete the vintage country chic vibe. Seasonal styling. Spring use fresh flowers, light pink cushions, pastel table genres. For summer, open baskets, light cotton fabrics, greenery in jars. Autumn is rustic wooden trays with stalks, soft warm blankets. Winter is knitted shawls, candle lanterns, cozy warm color accents. This keeps the home feeling alive and comforting year-round. The sound and sensory experience. Professional stylist designs this style as a full sensory experience, not just visual. Sounds that match nature noises, birds, rain, light wind chimes. Textures that matches warm knits, smooth ceramics, soft cotton, rough natural wood. This create emotional comfort. Signature heart features in every vintage country chic farmhouse home. There is usually a heart page, such as a rustic farmhouse table, a vintage mirror, an old dresser, a floral sofa, modern paints, a handmade quilt. This item becomes the emotional center of the room. Rural luxury, a secret layer of chic. A chic part adds a sense of soft elegance. This include ruffles, soft lace, silver trays, elegant mirrors, glass candle holders, delicate floral ceramics. These touches makes the house feel more romantic countryside than just farmhouse. How professional at farm to make the home feel like a warm countryside cottage. Decorators focus on warm oak tones. Even on wooden bed can warm the entire room. Soft lighting, no harsh bulbs, only warm lamps, lanterns, or candlelight lighting. Textured fabrics, straws, knitted blankets, lace accents, and cotton curtains. Nature, fresh flowers, dried flowers, potted plants, herbs, branches. The emotional experience of the style, this decor creates a powerful emotional atmosphere. It feels like a peaceful morning in the countryside, a grandmother's gentle home, a place where life is solo and calm, a space full of memories, a mix of elegance and simplicity. It is not only decor, it is a feeling of comfort, softness, and nostalgia. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.